sailing to Phi Phi Islands, aka Koh Phi Phi. Hands down one of the most stunning places in southern Thailand. By the way, all the travel tips you'll need are in the description. It's actually a small group of islands, but the two you care about are Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Leh. Phi Phi Don is where you sleep, eat, party, and probably lose track of time. Phi Phi Leh? That's the one from all the iconic drone shots. Home to Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach, with Leonardo DiCaprio. You can only get there by boat, and it's usually done as a day trip. Koh Phi Phi is wild in the best way. Glassy turquoise water, towering cliffs straight out of a movie, and that chill, barefoot, no rush energy you only get on real islands. Oh, and no cars there. You walk or take longtail boats. And I'm not kidding. Some beach bungalows, the only way to reach them is by boat. But don't stress, those rides are super short, usually around 5 to 10 minutes max. They run all day but can be scarce at night, so be warned.
Bring sunscreen, trust me. Crystal waters, epic cliffs.
So, how do you get to Koh Phi Phi? There are two main routes, from Phuket or from Krabi. Let's start with Phuket. You'll leave from Rasada Pier and arrive at Tonsai Pier on Phi Phi Don. Boats run between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m., but always double check online. Ferries take about 1.5 to 2 hours, cost around 450 baht, approximately $13 US. Speedboats are faster, at about 50 minutes, cost around 800 baht, approximately $23 US. Some offer business or first class upgrades, more space, aircon, even snacks. Sometimes the price jump isn't that crazy, so definitely worth checking. If you're coming from Krabi, it's a pretty similar setup. Boats leave from Klong Gilad Pier and go straight to Tonsai Pier on Phi Phi Don. They usually run between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., but always double check online. Ferries from Krabi take about the same time as from Phuket and cost about 450 baht, roughly $13 US. Speedboats are faster, taking 45 to 60 minutes, with prices ranging from 700 to 1,000 baht, around 20 to 28 US dollars. Upgrade options are available too. Most boats allow regular luggage, but if you're packing heavy, double check or you might get charged extra. Oh, and when you get to Koh Phi Phi, there's a 20 baht island fee at Tonsai Pier. That's like 50 cents. Small price for paradise. Can you do Koh Phi Phi as a day trip? Sure, but honestly, I stayed 3 days and still felt like I missed out. Next time I'm staying at least a week, just to beach hop, chill and soak in the vibe and beauty of the place with all my senses. And yeah, bring cash. ATMs are limited, and a lot of shops or restaurants don't take cards. When the sun sets, the island turns up. You've got bars on the beach, karaoke, fire shows, cliffside viewpoints, and endless little restaurants tucked into winding paths. It's got that perfect mix of party energy and island calm. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon on Koh Phi Phi.